I just want to tell you something that's going to come very soon on this channel is the unboxing of this. Now, do you know what it is? This is actually made by Mini Models Limited, Havant in Hampshire. And for anyone that knows the history of Scalextrics, they will know that that's where Scalextrics started its life. So it won't be long before I'm going to unbox this live on the channel. So this is the set. I believe it's the D31 set. So inside here, it's a little bit battered in places. I've had a little peep. But live, I will open the box, we'll put it together, and we'll see if we can get it running. So, I mean, those pictures that are on the front of these, I think, are iconic. They're brilliant. So keep watching.